поплохело почему-то. Конкретно поплохело. Это еще запаска у него.
Да, смотри. Такая.
Жесть. 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 Бедняга. Реально бедняга.
¡Hala, la música! ¡Mirá! ¡Hala, la vida! Mirá. Oh, I got him!
So who are you giving the credit for killing SLI? Microsoft? You think reviewers killed SLI?
Huh? They trying to be brought hot again. All this fucking shit. Oh yeah, they got it. Yes, sir. This. Oh. Oh, you flapping it? No! No! Держимся! Что случилось?
bit. Just keep your eye on him. Slow down. Okay, see, dude, is he having a heart attack or something? What the hell? Just speed up a little bit.
Call the cops? You should call the cops, bro.
Speed up a little bit.
Call the police, dude.
Well, dude, the police aren't gonna get here fast enough to
We have his plates. Let's just plate him and call the police. Man.
You wanna read those plates? Oh shit.
Yeah, what am I gonna do? I told you, bro. The cops, they would have stopped you.
The cops would not have stopped me.
Fotoğraf çek, adam motorla dönmeye çalışıyor bunu.
Ters yoldan çıkan adama bakın. Sen ne yapıyorsun? Amacın ne yani? Aha çektim. Abicim buradan dönülür mü lan? Videoyu aldım. Şansıma bak. Abicim buradan dönülür mü ya?
Tamam, ver.
Bırak.
Lan kapat.
De facto means that he's 10th, essentially. So yeah, this will be important. Let's have another look. So this is Bird's crash. Buemi goes into the back of it there as well. Concertina effect. Oh, and that's Mortara. That's the one that's really, really nasty. Robin Fright's involved in there. And Lucas Di Grassi on board. We'll see it once again here from Bird's point of view. So just a little bit wide going through into 6. Clips the wall on the outside. At this point he's now a passenger. Nothing he can do. Gets clipped by Buemi really quite violently. Lots of carbon fibre stricken over the track, and then wait for the secondary impact. And there you go. Bang. Edo Mortara straight to the scene of the crash in the Maserati. Let's have a listen to some team radio. Have a listen to
When
Buemi.
is this luck gonna stop?
So Buemi then clearly frustrated following that. Let's have another look at the driver's eye view of exactly what happened there. So he's coming through. Oh, so unsighted. Massive impact into the side of Buemi. Thankful for the halo in these circumstances as well, just stopping the wheel, the carbon fibre going directly into his eye line. He emerges from the car frustrated, but crucially up and okay following that incident, which could have been far, far worse. And you can see there as well Porsche of Felix da Costa, who was crabbing his way down after being involved in that very, very big hit. Thought we might see